Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Snowflake Wishes bundle. So here's the Snowflake Wishes bundle. It includes all of these stamps, so many that they had to have 2 sheets of stamps to fit them all in. And they had to shrink down the size, so these are not true to size, to fit them all on the first page here. And the dies are super fun. I have all these different dies to cut out the snowflakes, and then extra dies, extra snowflakes. So for this card, I'm showing off the beautiful designer series paper here. So the Snowflake Splendor Designer Series paper has these beautiful snowflakes on this watercolor, beautiful watercolor background. Love, love, love the watercolor look. It's just gorgeous, and I love stamping on these backgrounds too. This one is just gorgeous. I love that one. I love them all. Just so pretty. So definitely stock up on this one if you haven't already. Just gorgeous. So I'm going to adhere this down to our Night of Navy card base that's cut at 4 1/4 by 11 and scored at 5 1/2. And then I've got this piece right here that's 4 by 1 3/4 of Night of Navy. And I am going to stamp it with some snowflakes in Night of Navy. Brought some scratch paper. So I'm just going to kind of stamp this randomly. Night of Navy on Night of Navy, or tone on tone. Oh, I forgot. Need the Night of Navy for the sentiment. May your season sparkle. All right, I'm gonna trim a little bit off the top of this. So I think it's a little bit tall. Okay, so now I'm going to adhere this down. Just to the top of the card, so I'm not covering up too much of this pretty paper. And then put this on dimensionals. And then just going to add the snowflakes. I already cut out the snowflakes from the So Many Snowflakes Dies. And I'm gonna add some Wink of Stella to this snowflake right here. Give it some shimmer and shine. Just fun to add some little bit of bling to this card. And I'm gonna add a dimensional. I'm gonna put this on with a dimensional. Kind of fun. Should I go like this, or should I do it this way? We're going to start this way because it fits better on the card. And then we'll add another dimensional. And another dimensional. And then I cut this out of the Balmy Blue glimmer paper that's part of the suite. And this is awesome because I can rub it all I want and none of the glitter is coming off. Oh, the ink is coming. I got ink on me, but none of the glitter is coming off. Let's see if I can get the ink off though. Ink, 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 maybe. That's a little bit better. Okay, so now we're gonna add this Balmy Blue. And part of the suite also includes these blue adhesive backed gems. Super pretty. I already have some right here that I'm going to use. I'm going to grab this big one with my Take Your Pick tool, and I'm going to use that to cover up my dimensional. Then I'll grab another big one and I will put it up here somewhere. And then let's grab two small ones. Put one here, and then we'll do one like over here. Do one over here. And there we have our card. So I'm offering a card class. If you place a $30 order, you will get this card class for free of these 6 cards. You just go to my website, use this hostess code, email me and let me know that you would like the Snowflake Wishes class, or better yet, place a $50 order and you will be entered in my raffle to win a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, aka the Big Boss, and let's see, you will receive my free tutorials as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.